Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. I've got a 986 Boxster I'm working on. I've done a lot of work last week, so I'm just continuing on this week to finish off the job. I'm nearly there, and the last one I'll be doing is the actual PCM. It's right here. I've got to take it out and do the upgrade. But just quickly, what I'm doing is I've been doing a I've got to show you what I'm doing. I'm doing a window regulator for this car because the window doesn't go up; it just drops down. It dropped down, but not enough. It keeps hitting on the actual. Keeps hitting on that. So when you shut it, it doesn't. It slams on this, and it's gonna. One day you're gonna break the glass. I just want to show you that what I found is this door trim has been out before, and I can tell the people that actually took it out before don't know much about Porsche, or no, I can't say that. Don't know whoever the person took the door trim off before do the work. Don't know that the actual how many screws are holding the Bose subwoofer to the door, and it's broken down here, and it's broken up here as well. See there, it's broken up here, and they got some elastic. It's alright to hold it on, that's better than nothing. I just want to show it's broken there and there, so I've got to try to fix that later and fix that again later. Sometimes you spend more time fixing other things was broken before than actually doing the job that you're supposed to do. But I just want to show you what I'm doing. So I've got to remove this, remove that, remove the airbag, remove all the interior, the mechanism in there, and the arms and the cables. And then the glass has to come out as well. The whole window glass got to be taken out, and to do the window regulator. Alright, and then the final thing I'm going to do is adjustment. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.